After centuries lost, the Bible is finally revealed. Now, the delicate work of restoration begins.
Tuntus. The spectral analysis confirms the text is nearly 3,000 years old.
Look at the fluctuation on the thermal readings right there. It's unprecedented.
I see it. The extraction team is waiting. We have to move.
We have a positive lock on the target. The container matches the description.
Prepare the submersible for immediate deployment.
Unique.
The careful transportation of the ancient text is paramount. Even the slightest vibration could kill irreparable.
The spectral analysis confirms significant degradation here in the codex.
Yes, the red zones indicate severe ink corrosion. We need to stabilize that immediately.
I think we finally did it.
Yes, the binding is secure and the pages are stable.
The heck?
Advanced spectral analysis and carbon dating are now underway, beginning the historic process of verifying the artifact's true age.
The carbon dating confirms it.
It's authentic.
The structural integrity seems stable now.
And the translation holds up under scrutiny.
Excellent work, everyone. We have our consensus.
It is beautiful, is it not?
The promises hold true through all generations.
Get that light adjusted. We are live in 10. Did you hear the rumors about the contents?
It's almost time. Look at the screen.
The results are definitive. We can now officially confirm the complete and total authentication of this sacred text.
This is a new era for humanity. We stand united, looking towards a brighter future together.
Across the ages, wisdom echoes. The future is merely the past, waiting for the light of understanding to turn the page.
We need to ensure the Bible is the focal point here.
Absolutely. The lighting angles are crucial for preserving the ancient pages.
These ancient texts connect us directly to our ancestors. They are the foundation of our shared story.
Racing. The annotation clearly demonstrates the syncretism at play during the Great Migration.
Respectfully, the archival data complicates.
This is a historic moment. The ancient text has reappeared, uniting billions across the globe.
Understanding the historical context is crucial to interpreting the past, allowing us to connect with these ancient cultures.
The word endures through all the ages.
Thy word is a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path.
From ancient scripts to modern tongues, the message persists. We are but fleeting carriers.